Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix FiveM could not contact entitlement service status, or the error code 530. So before we start, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix is to run FiveM as administrator. So if the FiveM application does not run with administrative privileges, you may encounter various errors like this. So therefore, you can run the FiveM application as an administrator and check if the problem persists. And then next, what you can do is to create private port for FiveM. So if none of the above suggestion works for you, you can fix the problem by setting the port configured to FiveM. So to do that, in the start search screen, just type the Windows Defender Firewall and open it, and click onto the advanced settings on the left side of the screen that opens. And click the inbound rules option on the left side of the window that opens, and click onto the new rule option on the right. Then choose the port option in the new window that opens and click the next button. So after this process, select the TCP option and type the port we will leave below in the box. So it is actually not in the box, but it is this right here. And then just click the next button. Then select the allow connection option and then just press the next button. So set 3 options as selected and click the next button, and then give the name of the port where we perform the installation process, and then just click the finish button. So in this process, we have added a new rule to the TCP port. So in our next action, let's end our process by connecting the UDP port. So then you'll need to add new rule again and select the port and click the next button. So after this process, just select the UDP option and type the port we will leave below in the box. Again, it is not in the box, it is this number right here, set of numbers rather. So it is this right here, and then after that, just click into the next button. Then select the allow connection option and then just press the next button again. So set 3 options as selected and then click the next button. So then give the name of the port where we perform installation process, and then again just click the finish button after you are done. So after this process, the run the FiveM application and check if the problem persists. So remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And then what you can do next is to register another DNS server. So we can eliminate the problem by registering another DNS server on the computer. And to do that, just simply open your control panel and then select Network and Internet. And then just open Network and Sharing Center on the screen that opens. And then click onto the Change Adapter Settings on the left side of that window. Right-click on the connection type to open the Properties menu. It is usually the Ethernet. So right-click onto that and then go to the Properties section on that menu, and then double click onto the Internet Protocol version 4, the TCP or the IPv4. So right there, and then let's apply the settings by typing the Google DNS server we'll give below right here. So just type the 8888 and 884.4 for the alternate DNS. So for it to be able to type in, you'll need to toggle on or to turn on this use the following DNS server right here. So click the circle that's available before this, and then you can now type this following numbers right here on the preferred DNS server and then alternate DNS server. Then after that, click onto the verify settings on the exit option, and then just press OK right here button to perform the actions. And that is how you can register another DNS server. And then lastly, what you can do is to disable your VPN connection if you're using one. So turning on the VPN connection can slow down the connection to the server and preventing it from sending requests. So therefore, if the VPN connection is open in the background, I suggest you turn it off and then you can try again. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.